So let us look at this question. So integration of 5x power 5 plus 2x power minus 5 minus 7x plus 1 by root x plus 5x. This is a combination of 5 different functions. So according to the algebra of integration that we have seen, this integration can be separated into 5 different integrations. So integration of 5 times x power 5 dx plus integration of 2 times x power minus 5 dx minus integration of 7x dx plus integration of 1 by root x dx plus integration of 5 by x dx. Now, from the second formula, we can bring these constants outside the integrations. So that is equal to 5 times integration of x to the power 5 dx plus 2 times integration of x to the power minus 5 dx minus 7 times integration of x dx plus integration of 1 by root x dx plus 5 times integration of 1 by x dx. So that is equal to, now these integrations look like standard integrals. We have a formula which says that integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and this works as long as n is not equal to minus 1. So if n is equal to minus 1, integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c plus c. So now you have 5 times, what is the integration of x power 5? X power 6 by 6 plus some integration constant, let us call it c1. So you have different integration constants, so I'll use c1, c2, c3, so on. Plus 2 times integration of x power minus 5 is x power minus 4 by minus 4 plus some constant c2. Minus 7 times integration of x is x square by 2 plus some integration constant c3 plus 1 by root x is nothing but x power minus half. So the integration is x power minus half plus 1 is x power half by half plus some integration constant c4 plus 5 times integration of 1 by x is ln x plus some integration constant c5. ln x means log x to the base e. Formula is also log x to the base e. So now this is equal to 5 times x power 6 by 6 plus 2 times x power minus 4 by minus 4 minus 7x square by 2 plus 2x power half plus 5 ln x plus, so all these arbitrary constants can be combined to a single arbitrary constant c, because 5 times c1 plus 2 times c2 minus 7 c3 plus c4 plus 5 c5 is another integration constant. So all the integration constants can be combined to get another integration constant c. So this will be the integration of this function.